What's up you guys, Jason Wardrop here, and you're probably on this video because you've heard everyone talking about the GoHighLevel SaaS mode update and you're excited, everyone's excited, and you want to white label the GoHighLevel software platform for your own business to be able to offer as a software under your own branding to your clients. And you're like, I need a website to do this, and I need to know what pricing to go through and charge my clients and what offers and products to offer within each price point. So if that's you, you are in the perfect spot because I'm gonna break this all down for you step by step today, plus be able to give you your very own website template for the GoHighLevel SaaS mode. All you have to do is smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and if you're brand new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm gonna have a link down in the description as well as in the top comment to a special sign up link to the SaaS mode, GoHighLevel SaaS mode. Okay, so instead of getting the normal 14-day free trial, you're gonna actually get an extended 30-day free trial. So the goal here is to be able to have you have your entire business set up, and after the first 30 days have your first 3 to 5 new SaaS clients. So you have your entire system, your entire business completely paid for, plus you're making a nice little profit. So I'm gonna have this link down below in the description as well as in the top comment, and when you sign up with that, I'm also gonna invite you to a nice private members only Facebook group for some coaching to be able to help you guys get this all set up. Okay, so before we walk through the whole homepage and everything that I'm gonna be able to give you guys here today, let's talk about the pricing. What should you go through and charge your clients? What should be offered at each different price point? And guys, basically all you got to do is model the best. Look at the big companies that are already doing something similar to this. Figure out what are they charging, what are they offering, and okay, have they grown their business? And if they have, we're just basically gonna model what already works. So if we're looking at Podium, Birdeye, Thrive, which Podium is now a multi-billion-dollar software company, we check out their different pricing and plans and seeing what they offer. So I've got this pricing page which is all set up connected to this home page right here. They click on pricing. We're gonna go through, and before we actually give them the price, we're gonna actually capture their data, their information right here. And then when they click on see pricing, it's gonna send them to this page right here. So at the $2.99 a month level, basically all we're gonna do is we're gonna have them connect their Google business account, and then we're gonna set up the automated online reviews and then give them access to the inbox. Okay, the two-way texting, the Google My Business chat, and then we'll set up a simple auto missed call text back. So if you're working with a plumber, for example, and somebody calls that plumber on their Google My Business listing and that plumber does not answer, we're just gonna have an auto missed call text back. I literally just set up a plumber yesterday with this, and he has already seen some amazing results. And the best part is you set this up one time. It takes about 5 minutes, and then there's not really a lot of work you need to do month in and month out. Okay, so that's a $2.99 per month price point. And then at the $3.99 per month price point, you got the reviews, you got the interactions, same exact stuff. Then you can add on the online listings. What does this do? What does this mean? Well, GoHighLevel is actually integrated with a platform called Yext. And what Yext does is it takes the business owner's name, their phone number, their email address, their address, their website, all the basic information about their business, and it updates it on Google, Google Maps, on Yelp, on 70 plus different sites, so they have consistent information across all of the web. So this is gonna help boost their SEO, and also if somebody's searching on a different site than they think they're gonna actually be searching on, they're gonna not only find their business, but they're gonna find the accurate information for that business. So the integration with Yext with GoHighLevel is $30 per month. And so that's why we go through and include it in the $3.99 per month plan, so you can make a little bit of a margin there. And then I also add in the payments, the easy text to pay client invoicing, which honestly at the end of the day, they kind of get this with this basic account right here by default. But just to kind of like bump up the whole price point and the value add right there, I just threw this in right here. And then as far as the premium custom right here, guys, basically what you're gonna do is talk with each business. You could do some AI follow-up, which I know GoHighLevel is gonna be releasing. The marketing automation, give them access to more of the workflows and different things like that. So these are kind of the core plans, and the best part about this is you go through, you onboard the client, you help them activate their account, and then from there, all the tools are doing the work for you. Okay, and then the client is going to be able to go through and have all the conversations coming in to their mobile app as well as their desktop app. And we don't have to give them access to all these different tools and features that at the end of the day, they're not going to use. Now, you might be looking at this and be like, well, Jason, You don't have anything about websites, which GoHighLevel has websites. You don't have anything about sales funnels. And you're right, I don't. The reason why I don't have that is because those are more custom builds, because a sales funnel for a chiropractor versus a sales funnel for a real estate agent, they're gonna be completely different. So what I did is I looked at the tool set and I thought, which one of these tools, which of these features are gonna be consistent no matter what industry, no matter what business owner you're working with. If it's a chiropractor, a mortgage broker, a plumber, a massage therapist, they're all gonna need online reviews. They're gonna all need customer communication interaction. They're all gonna need listings as well as payments, with the exception of maybe like realtors or mortgage brokers. But most small business owners are gonna need these exact things. And then from here, once you get them in the door on a $299 per month or a $399 per month account, then at that point you can upsell them the Facebook ad services or the SEO services or the website build outs or the sales funnel build outs. But as far as your core plans, these are what you're going to be going through and offering to your clients. So now check this out. If they come in here and they click on a free trial right here, what we're gonna do, because onboarding and activation is so key to bringing on any new client, whether they're paying you $2,000 per month or $100 per month, is instead of allowing them to go through and set up their own account, because let's be honest, GoHighLevel has a lot of things going on, lots of tools, lots of features. We're actually going to go through and have them book a call with us so we can jump on a Zoom call and help set their whole account up and get them onboarded and activated the right way, so we know that they're going to see amazing results, so they're going to stay on long term. I know there's been a lot of talk in the GoHighLevel community that because of going through and offering SaaS mode, you're able to decrease your churn to basically zero. Well, guess what? If you do not onboard and activate the right way, that is not true. You're gonna have just as high churn with the SaaS mode offer as you would with your typical marketing agency, and it does not matter the price point. Okay, I know that from experience, because in the beginning of my software company about 6 years ago, we did nothing with onboarding and activation, and our churn was through the roof. And back at that time, and with our tool set, we were only charging $49 per month. Okay, so if you think lowering your price is going to handle all that and take care of it, it's not. They need to go through and see the massive value. So anyway, guys, this is kind of like a basic rundown of the website over here that I've gone through, and I've built out everything for you guys. As far as the products, I go through and click on reviews, interactions, payments, listings, AI follow-up, has a breakdown of everything that's going on there. You go through, click contact, it has an appointment booking page as well, and then they can go through and log in to your SaaS. I don't have a little login link right here because this is just a demo website, obviously. But then also another cool thing is I can actually share a snapshot template with you guys when you go through and sign up through that link, that I've got all of the workflows pre-built out for you guys. Okay, so we come over here to workflows. You can see I've got this folder of all of our leads and appointments. So if someone requests a demo, or they sign up for a free trial, or they become a new lead because they're wanting to watch the demo, or the pricing capture, we've got all of these workflows already pre-built out for you guys. So this is all completely set up for you guys to have your own white label SaaS. And you guys know already how simple it is to go through and set up the different payment plans. And then when you get on a call with them, with your new prospective client, I've set up a very simple funnel where you go through, put in the account information, they hit go to next step, they choose between the $299 or the $399 per month plan, and then that automatically creates their account with the snapshot template set up. And then from there, guys, it's super easy, the simple basic steps that you need to go through and onboard that client. Get them their own local phone number, have them download the Lead Connector gray label mobile app, or if you have your own white label mobile app, have them download that. Connect Google, connect Facebook, generate the review link, and from there you're good to go. That's pretty much all you have to do. It's very simple, step by step, very straightforward. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. And if you guys want this website template that I've gone through and built out for you guys, with the whole chat widget and everything all built in here, go ahead down in the description or in the top comment, sign up using my link right here, and I'll be able to hook you guys up with this, and also invite you guys into my private members only Facebook group so you guys can get the good stuff. So anyway, guys, I hope this was helpful, and with that said, I will see you in the next video.